Hey, what's going on? It's Jonathan Glazer here again, and I got another YouTube video. This one we're going to focus on what to say in your YouTube affiliate marketing videos. So, um, if you are like this guy in the picture here, you're scared to death of making YouTube videos, then you're gonna want to watch this to the end of the video. I'm going to share with you some tips to get over your fear, and also what to say to the duration of your video. So, if you have a brain fart, you're scared, you can just use this formula for every video to drive free traffic. You can start using YouTube affiliate marketing to drive this type of traffic and get some really quality leads, sales. So, um, first thing is I wanted to give you some pro tips to conquer your fear. The best one I could really give you is to visualize that you're talking to a friend. Um, so how would you talk to your friend? You want to just be casual, be really excited, about what you're talking about, and just pretend that you're having a beer, talking to your friend about something really cool that you discovered. And it also helps to have the key points laid out as well. Um, and like I just mentioned, be excited. You don't want to be, talking in a monotone like this. So, I really found this cool thing that is going to help you with, your problem that you have. You should, really just, no, that's not going to work. So you're going to need to be, hey, this is really going to help change your life. You need to watch this video and, stay till the end because I'm going to show you just how simple it really is. See, that's, there's, it's not that hard. A little bit of enthusiasm there breaks people out of the pattern that they're in, and it's going to keep their attention towards the end of the video. So, another thing is, don't be afraid to mess up. If you stutter through your words, you're human, and people will relate to that. And you can always, if it bothers you that much, you can always, go and edit it at the end. But I personally, if it's not too bad, just let it happen. Be natural. You want people to relate to you. You want them to build rapport. You want them to, to like you. And, you don't want to be perfect. Try too hard to be perfect. It just comes off superficial. We want people to actually, relate to you. If they see you messing up and stuttering through your words, and, they're going to be more relatable. So don't be afraid to mess up. As you can see, I messed up here. I spelled friend wrong, Didn't catch that till just now. So anyways, but just be yourself. That's it right there. And the most important one, stop trying to sell. You don't have to be a master salesman. This isn't about hard selling. Um, you're just trying to help people solve their problems with whatever your product is. So if it's weight loss, you have a weight loss product. Just be personable and say, hey, it works. It's worked for me. Here's what I did, and then share the solution. So um, that's where the format is. If you keep it to this, simple format, it'll be like second nature the more you do it. So it might be a little tough the first time, or you might struggle, you might stumble through it, but the more you do it, the better you're gonna get. And you just have to do it. It is a very powerful form of marketing, and I've if done right, it's going to deliver you leads forever, pretty much. So the thing you want to do is you just want to do an intro. So introduce yourself, be very enthused about what you're going to share with people. So hey, my name is Jonathan Glazer, and you're going to learn how to um, lose weight in 3 weeks with this fantastic new product. I mean, that sounds a little salesy, just going off the top of my head, but whatever it is you have out there, be excited to share it. And then in the body, discuss the topic a little bit, emphasize the problem, and if it's something that's you have an experience with, if it's a new traffic source or anything like that, just say how it worked for you, the results you're getting with it, and then at the outro, you're going to offer the solution with your strong call of action. So, if you want to, try this out for yourself, click the link in the description, and don't forget, to subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this. It's that simple. You want them to subscribe, so you put more videos out. It might take another video to get them to take the action you want, but now they're going to get the notification, and they're also going to look to you as an authority figure because you've solved the problem in their life, and now they want to know what more problems you can solve or what more advice you can give. So it's that simple. And then I got a little example for you. Hey, my name is Jonathan Glazer, and if you're looking to learn how to drive more buyer traffic to your websites, blogs, or capture pages, then you're going to want to watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to share with you what's worked for me, and you're going to learn how it can work for you too. You see how easy that is? It's that simple. That just grabs their attention. That's the intro. And then you just talk about, your personal experience with what it is that you want to talk about in the video, and then you hit them with that call to action, and then that's it. You can wrap it up. You're done. So I hope that helps you. If you want to learn more video marketing tips and YouTube affiliate marketing tips, feel free to click the link in the description. I have a free guide for you that you can access, and we will show you step by step how to set up everything from your YouTube channel to creating attention grabbing videos just like this. You can use this video training for, and it will help you up your YouTube affiliate marketing game. So have an awesome day. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't, because I will have more videos just like this coming out very soon. So I will talk to you guys soon. Have an awesome day.